1.2 given x minus 2 squared plus y squared equal to 25 is an equation of a circle, and x plus 3 minus 3y equal to 0 is an equation of a straight line. The graphs of the circle and the line intersect at the points A and B. Determine the coordinates of the points A and B, showing all necessary calculations. Alright, so here we are given the equation of a circle. The equation of a circle is x minus 2 squared plus y squared equal to 25. And then we have the equation of the straight line, which is x plus 3 minus 3y equal to a 0. Okay, then in this question we're told that this straight line intersects the circle at 2 points A and B. So that means we will have to solve these two equations simultaneously. So if we are solving these two equations simultaneously, we will use one method, which is substitution. But before we substitute, let us manipulate one of the equations. So let's say this equation is equation 1 and this is equation 2. We will manipulate equation 2 so that it will be easy for us to substitute. Let us make x the subject of the formula in equation 2. So that means x will be equal to minus 3 plus 3y because it's negative on the left hand side. So when we take it to the right hand side, it will be plus 3y. So x is equal to minus 3 plus 3y. Then we go back to equation 1, which is x minus 2 squared plus y squared equal to a 25. Okay, this is what we will do next. Instead of using x in this equation, we will substitute that x with a minus 3 plus 3y. So let us start here. We'll use bigger brackets. For x, we will have minus 3 plus 3y. That's just the x. And then we have minus 2. We close our bracket because the bracket is squared. We'll also square this one. And then plus y squared equal to 25. Okay, now let us expand this bracket. So in this bracket we have minus 3 plus 3y minus 2 squared plus y squared, we bring it down, equal to 25. So now we have minus 3 minus 2. So that means that is minus 5 or negative 5. We bring down the plus 3y squared because our bracket is still squared. Okay, we bring down the plus y squared equal to 25. Okay, so let's continue this side. We have minus 5 plus 3y squared. So that means we'll have two brackets, minus 5 plus 3y minus 5 plus 3y. We also have this plus y squared, which is this one, equal to 25. Okay, now let us expand these brackets. We have negative 5 multiplied by negative 5, that is a positive 25. Negative 5 multiplied by positive 3y, that is minus 15y, positive 3y multiplied by a minus 5, that is still minus 15y. Positive 3y multiplied by 3y, that is plus 9y squared. Okay, we're done with the brackets. We bring down the y squared plus y squared equal to 25. Now let us collect like terms, starting with 9y squared. So we will have 9y squared plus y squared, and then next we will follow with the minus 15y, and we have another minus 15y, followed by the constant, which is plus 25. This one equal to 25. Okay, now 9y squared plus y squared, that is 10y squared, minus 15y minus 15y, that is minus 30y plus 25 equal to 25. Okay, now let us take the 25 from the right hand side to the left hand side. So that is minus 25 and minus 25 here. So this will be equal to 0, and this will be equal to a 0, such that we were left with 10y squared minus 30y equal to 0. Now let's divide everything by 10. So we divide by 10, divide by 10, divide by 10. This will cancel this will cancel this, and here we will have 3, because 30 divided by 10, that is a 3. Okay, so here we have y squared minus 3y equal to a 0, because 0 divided by 10 is still a 0. So now we will factorize this. So we will factor out y because it's the common factor, and we open a bracket. To get y squared, we will multiply y with a y. To get minus 3y, we multiply the y with a minus 3. So we close the bracket, equal to a 0. Therefore, that means y is equal to 0, or y minus 3 is equal to 0, of which y is equal to a positive 3 when we make it the subject of the formula. So those are the two values of the y in the two coordinates a and b. So now what's left is for us to find the x values of a and b. So now let's erase this. Okay, so we found that y is equal to 0, or y is equal to a positive 3. So how do we get the values of x? We will use one of the equations. We will use equation 2, which we manipulated here as x equal to minus 3 plus 3y. So first we will find the value of x when y is equal to 0, and next we will find the value of x when y is equal to 3. This side, it will be for when y is equal to 3. So again, we'll have the same formula, or the same equation, which is x equal to negative 3 plus 3y. The only thing we will substitute here are these values. So again, so here we have x equal to negative 3 plus 3y. So for y, we will substitute with a 0. So that means x is equal to negative 3 plus 3 multiplied by 0, that's a 0. So x is equal to negative 3 when y is equal to 0. And then this side we have x equal to negative 3 plus 3y. So for y, we substitute with a positive 3. So now x is equal to a minus 3 plus 3 multiplied by 3, that's a 9. Then x is equal to minus 3 plus 9, that is a 6. So that means our first coordinate is negative 3 and the y value is 0. For the second coordinate, the x value is 6 and the y coordinate is positive 3. So that means A or B is given by these coordinates. It doesn't matter if you made this your B or this as your A, as long as your answers are correct, because we don't have the diagram here and we're not told whether A or B is on the first or second quadrant. As long as you have the coordinates as negative 3, 0 and 6, 3. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, let us move on to 1.3.